Where are you going, buddy? Where are you going?
Hi.
That's a puppy.
Hi. Yeah, that's
Do you think it's sad
Lucy.
that they're going?
That's
Yeah.
Lucy.
Yeah.
That's Lucy. I know. Hi.
Yeah, some little kids come over and they just cry and boo-hoo if they lots of dogs. Yeah, these are
I
puppies.
see ya.
These are little dog puppies.
I see ya. I
There's
see ya.
one family that's getting one of the puppies when the puppies were nursing. He called them her sippy cups. So she's like, look, Mom, they're drinking from sippy cups. It was so cute.
I see ya.
Oh my goodness. He's a talkative little thing. Yes, he is. He's very social. Are you all keeping any? Well, we do have one left. So, I don't know if it's
Hi.
Destiny or... Hi. What's on your butt?
I know. They all need a bath.
They do. Man, that's a sprinkler. Yeah, look at LeBron's butt. They all need baths really badly. We named one LeBron. I told my son, I said, if the first one born, because it was the night that LeBron was announcing who he was going to play for, I said, if the first one born is a black male, we'll name him LeBron. And of course, LeBron is
Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
That is such a belly laugh. You've got to bring your camera
He's
down
cracking
here.
up.
Oh, I had no idea.
He's cracking up.
My husband said it. I wouldn't believe it.
Look at that.
He's just cracking up. He's not even phased.
No. Oh, it's crazy.
I love that new puppy smell.
Look at that.
You know, my St. Bernards were no bigger than this.
Cracking up.
Come on, LeBron, you get over here. Come on.
Oh.
You may pass. He's gonna have to have a bath tonight. Oh, that's for sure.
Oh, that's crazy.
He's amazing. Be careful with the ball, Manny. You don't want to scare them.
You got the ball. Did you want her to get the ball? Huh? Where'd she go? Come here.
Pups. Come on. Manny, where are you going? Bring the ball back over here. Yeah, I think your husband was on the street one day with him. Yeah, we walk almost every night. He insists on it.
You're teaching the doggy how to play
Well,
ball.
I think if you do puppies, he'll do fine.
They're all watching him. There's your buddy. There's your buddy.
Can you tell them apart? I can now. I still kind of, they all have different colors. So that's kind of
Yeah.
cheating.
You want to play pass? You want to
But
play
if
with the
I
ball?
pick 'em up,
Huh?
hold 'em, I can
You want to play with the ball?
tell these.
Yeah. Yeah, you play with the ball.